Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. What are you thinking about, Scott? Yesterday I was going through the newspaper and I saw an article. What was that article about? That article was all about numerals in various scripts. It was very helpful. I learned a lot from that. Yesterday I spent my whole day playing with numbers. Oh, good. Let me test how much knowledge you have gained. Okay, Professor. Okay. So can you tell me which are the most three important scripts in which we learn numerals? First is International Script Numbers. Second is Roman Script Numbers. And third is Devanagari Script Numbers. Good, Scott. What are English numbers? English numbers? I guess International Script Numbers are also called as English numbers. But I am not sure. You are correct, Scott. Okay, now I'll ask you questions and let me see whether you can answer it correctly. Okay, sir. I am ready. What are the following numbers called in Roman script? Numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. 1 in Roman is written as I. 5 is written as V. 10 is written as X. 50 is written as L. 100 is written as C. 500 is written as D. 1000 is written as M. Excellent. Next question. How can we write these Roman numbers and I in international form? I guess it is 11. No, Scott, your answer is incorrect. Why? If I is 1, then I has to be 11. No, see. I'll tell you the rule number 1. Rule 1. If I or X are written one after the other twice or thrice, we get the number by adding them. For example, 1 I equals 1 plus 1 equals 2 2 x equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Did you get that? Yes. One more question on that. How can we write these Roman numbers AAA in international form? I equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Okay. And triple X? X plus X equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. Good. Scott. I understood in the same manner. And V plus V plus V will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, and X plus X plus X plus X equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40. Is it right? No. Scott, you are wrong. Rule number 2, I and X can be written maximum 3 times repeatedly. But V is not written repeatedly. Rule number 3, if I or V is written to the right of bigger numeral, then its value is at its bigger number. Is that clear? Yes. Professor. Ask me the question on rule now, I'll beat everybody's score. Ok. How can we write these Roman numbers X and I in international form? Okay. X plus I equals 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals 21. Is that correct? Absolutely correct. Another question, how can we write these Roman numbers X and V and I in international form? Okay. X plus V plus I equals 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 26. Correct. Now let us move further. Rule number 4. If the numeral I is written to the left of V or X, the value of I is subtracted from the value of V or X. But I cannot be written to the left of V or X more than once. Professor, I would like to give an example. Okay. What is the example? I minus X equals 10 minus 1 equals 9. X plus I minus X equals 10 plus 9 equals 19. I minus V equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Good. You are learning fast. Scott. Rule number 5. To write numbers up to 20 in Roman numerals, first group numbers into 10, 5, and 1, then use rules as above. For example, 16 equals XVI, 13 equals XII, 14 equals XIV. Okay. Let's revise all the 5 rules again. Rule number 1, if I or X is written one after the other twice or thrice, we get the number by adding them. Rule number 2, I and X can be written maximum 3 times repeatedly, but V is not written repeatedly. Rule number 3, if I or V is written to the right of bigger numeral, then its value is added to bigger number. Rule number 4, if the numeral I is written to the left of V or X, the value of I is subtracted from the value of V or X. But I cannot be written to the left of V or X more than once. Rule number 5, to write numbers up to 20 in Roman numerals, first group numbers into 10, 5, and 1, then use rules as above. Now let's play rapid fire round. Kids, even you can join us. Take a pen and paper. I'll ask you 10 questions, you have to pick out the correct option. Each question time is 10 seconds. Each question is for 2 marks. I'll give answer to every question once the rapid fire is over. Write down your points in the comment box. All the best. Question 1. How many numbers, symbols, are there in international numerals? 1, 9, 2, 10, 3, 100, 4, 99. Countdown begins. Time up. Now next question. Question 2. In Roman numbers, which has greater value? L or M? 1 M, 2 L. Okay, now next question. Question 3. Write Roman numerals L, D, C, M in descending order. 1 McLD, 2 MTLC, 3 LCDM, 4 MTCL. Time over. Next. Question 4. X plus V plus X plus V equals 1 XX2 XIV3 XXVV4 XXX. Time up. Next question. Question 5. X plus X plus X XL equals 1 DXXX2 DM3 MXXX4 MD. Okay, done. Question 6. Sudhakar bought a pen for rupees 13 and a pencil for rupees 5. How much did he spend in all? 1 XXVII, 2 XVI, 3 XVII, 4 XXVI. Now next. Question 7. Write down V, L, X, C in ascending order. 1 L, X, C, V, 2 X, L, C, V, 3 V, L, X, C, 4 V, X, L, C. Next. Question 8. X plus 15 minus 11 equals 1, 15, 2, 14, 3, 16, 4, 19. Now question number 9. Question 9. In Roman numerals the number 9 is written as 1 IIX, 2 VIII, 3 IX, 4 XI. Now the last question. Question 10. In Roman numerals the number 1515 is written as 1 MDCV, 2 DMVC, 3 CDMV, 4 VCDM. We have done 10 questions. Now, one additional question. Question 11. L minus XV equals 1 XXV, 2 XLV, 3 LXV, 4 XXXV. All students, are you ready with your answers? Now let us take a look at the answers. Question 3. Write Roman numerals L, D, C, M in descending order. 1. McLD. 2. MTLC. 3. LCDM. 4. MTCL. Answer 3. Descending order MTCL. Explanation. We know L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000.